What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're going to keep working on our TJ project, and today we're going to revamp the taillights a little bit. Now, the taillights on Jeeps are pretty well known for being very basic, very simple, and they're also considered trailer lights. And me personally, I like the look of them because it's a classic look, it's a timeless look, and they're really cheap. So if you break one out in the woods, they're really cheap to replace. And I know a trend is to get rid of these and get flush mounted round LED lights. I'm not really into that. I really like these square ones. Now, if you can tell, the lenses are really faded on this. I originally thought, I'll just replace the light assemblies themselves because they're cheap, But at the same time, I thought, well, I want to do this on a budget. I want to try to make this budget friendly. And even though I'm picking very trivial things to replace, I still want, I want them, I don't know. You'll see a difference here. Let's get in the tailgate of goodies. I got boxes back here and more stuff on the way, and just been trying to keep parts gathered up. And here's a replacement. So you can see the difference from the faded one to a replacement one. See how clear the clear lens is for the reverse light. So I'm going to go ahead and replace these. Very simple. You just need a Phillips head screwdriver, and let's get this done. Alright, I just took them out of the packages. The part number from Crown Automotive is J136613. And then there's also a PO 2910277, but I'm pretty sure the number you want is at J136613. There you can see a difference in them. So I think this will just freshen up the look here at the back of the Jeep. I know the tailgates need some work. It's dented, the hinges are failing, but anyway, let's get a Phillips head screwdriver. Again, very simple. There's 4 screws. You can see there's a rubber gasket there, which is in less than stellar condition, but I think we'll be okay. I'm going to clean this out a little bit here, and then we'll get the new one on. Alright guys, there you go. So I cleaned that lower clear lens, and that's what gives you light onto your license plate. This is a dual filament bulb. It's your tail light combined with your brake light. That's a single filament bulb. That is your reverse light. Just a real simple metal divider in here that separates the lights. And again, your new one, you just put in place, put the screws in, and you're good to go. One word of caution when you're tightening these screws: do not over tighten them. If you over tighten these, you'll actually crack the lens. So you want it snug, but you don't want it tight. Well, how should I say that? You want it tight, but you don't want it over tight. So just a little bit of pressure on that screw. And there it is. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Do the same to the other side. And that's a wrap on updating the lenses on the taillights. Again, very trivial update, not something that's required by any means, as long as your lenses are legal and provide you good visibility. I just choose to do it because I don't know, I like to freshen up things that could be safety related. So anyway, we're going to continue with our small little updates and upgrades here on the TJ. Hope you'll join us. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, like and share our videos, and don't forget to ring that bell. That'll let you know every time we post a new video. So come along on this TJ journey with us, since the YJ, that was quite a journey, and it was a very successful one. So hope you'll join us for the TJ journey. All right, guys, catch you later. See ya. Bye.